Do you know there are several things you do during Lunar New Year will bring you more luck in the coming year? Many people believe that doing certain things during this special time can bring good luck. Watch till the end of the video to learn 8 Lunar New Year traditions and activities that believed to bring you good luck. Lion dances during Lunar New Year are believed to bring good luck and fortune. They ward off evil spirits, symbolize power and protection, spread blessings, and are associated with prosperity and unity in the community. They are a cherished tradition that creates a festive atmosphere and fosters a sense of shared cultural heritage. Couplets, also known as chunlian in Chinese, are red paper scrolls with auspicious phrases written on them. These phrases typically express well wishes for the new year, such as good fortune, happiness, and prosperity. Hanging couplets on doors or walls is believed to invite good luck and blessings into the home. Traditional food plays an important role during Lunar New Year celebrations, and it is believed that certain dishes can bring good luck and blessings for the coming year. These symbolic foods are deeply rooted in cultural beliefs and are often associated with auspicious meanings. For example, dumplings or jiaozi in Chinese are a common Lunar New Year food. Their shape resembles ancient Chinese gold ingots, and they are considered a symbol of wealth and good fortune. Eating dumplings during the holiday is believed to bring financial prosperity. Red envelopes, or hongbao, are traditionally given during Lunar New Year. Elders or married couples usually give red envelopes filled with money to children or unmarried young adults. The red color of the envelope symbolizes good luck, and the money inside represents wealth and prosperity. Receiving red envelopes is considered auspicious and is believed to bring good fortune in the new year. Respecting and honoring elders is an important part of Chinese culture. During Lunar New Year, it is customary for younger family members to pay respects to their elders by offering New Year greetings, expressing good wishes, and presenting small gifts. This act of filial piety is believed to bring blessings and good luck to the younger generation. Lighting firecrackers and setting off fireworks is a long-standing tradition during Lunar New Year. The loud noises and bright lights are believed to scare away evil spirits and bad luck while attracting good fortune and prosperity. It is also a way to celebrate the arrival of the new year with joy and excitement. The reunion dinner is a significant event during Chinese New Year where family members come together to share a lavish meal. It is a time for family unity and strengthening bonds. The abundance of food during the reunion dinner symbolizes prosperity and good fortune for the upcoming year. It is believed that having a joyful and harmonious family gathering during this time will bring luck and happiness throughout the year. On the last day before the new year, people clean their homes to sweep away the dust and misfortune of the past year, preparing for the new year. This symbolizes leaving behind any past misfortunes and ushering in good luck for the new year. These traditions and activities aim to pray for happiness, health, and prosperity in the coming year. While they may not have scientific basis, they are important aspects of Chinese culture, and people usually follow these traditions to seek good luck. Nevertheless, the most important thing is to spend quality time with family and friends during Lunar New Year, sharing joy and warmth. Wishing you a happy Lunar New Year, and may all your wishes come true. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment on our video to support our channel. See you soon.